Video is about using a test point. So the idea is that a lot of times you're going to find out either through a parabola, a graph, whatever, you're going to have an answer and you're going to want to test to see if you're going to shade the part that contains 0, 0 like here, or if you're going to shade the part down here. So there's always going to be two answers when you're dealing with quadratics and you want to know which side to shade. So the best test point to use is 0, 0, usually because it makes the math a lot easier. Some questions will just straight up give it to you. Sometimes you'll just have to graph it and figure out, okay, which part am I going to shade? You will always have the equation to work with, and that's your tool. So I suggest using 0, 0. You can use any point as long as it's within the area you want to test. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our inequality, and then if you want to do it in a proper left side, right side method, you'll set it up this way. So instead of y, I'm going to sub 0, 0. So my y value now becomes 0, and my x values over here are going to become 0 as well. So 0 squared times 2 plus 2 is just 2. So when I look, the statement was y is greater than everything on this side, so it should be 0 is greater than 2. And we think for a sec, is that true? If yes, shade. If no, don't shade. So was this true? No, it wasn't, which means that we're not going to shade the area where 0, 0 was. So if I looked at my parabola here, whatever, this was random, this isn't what this actually is. But if I looked at this area, the area where 0, 0 was does not satisfy the inequality, which means I would shade the other area wherever that may be on the graph. Okay, so I would say to this, it's not a solution. And that's it.